All right, this is Jack's video, and one of the things we talked about today is chords. So I'm going to change this real quick down to here so you can see. There's a G chord. Boy, that's a tough one. Look, Ma, that's a G chord, all right? That's going to be your easiest chord ever. Then here's a C chord. Now I'm going to do it. I'm going to put the second finger and the third finger down at the second fret on the fourth and first string. So you can see what that looks like. So, you know, it's kind of easy. That's also a chord. It's an E minor. But when we put this first finger down on the second string, first fret, we get a C chord. Now, if we kind of bend, if we let this finger right here collapse, let's say, into this third string, then we get, and we have to arc it up a little bit. Get the knuckles coming straight down from that knuckle to make sure that each note is clean. Okay, that's a C, the C that I circled there for you, and I wrote the fingers numbers down, what to use, which frets, and then here's the D7 I wrote down. It's going to be first finger is going to be on the second string, first fret, just like the C, huh? So that'll make it a little bit easier. And then this second finger is going to be at the second fret, third string, and it's going to sound like this. And so that is, if you get this first finger, if you get this string here, this first string kind of dead, what I want you to do with this first finger, you can overplay, what's called overplaying a little bit, towards that third string. So I can take this finger right here and I can move it up this way, you know, up on that string. So that, and make sure my knuckles are coming straight down. So I get every note clean, okay? So we're going to start working on chords. It's not something that happens in a week, okay? And so we're going to keep working on our rolls, and because that's going to be the whole rhythm and the excitement of the music. This down here, we're going to start working on these. Hey, keep it down over there.
It isn't me.
I know. All right. So then we also talked about this Worried Man Blues, and I'm going to play it right now, or else hopefully we won't get the boom, boom, boom from next door. So this actually, when you look at it, it starts on the fourth beat of a measure before we see the full measure. That's called a pickup note. So I'm going to say like this. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm getting ready to do the pickup before the third stanza. All right. And I'm doing I can't really see my left hand, so I'm going to do a little faster while you watch my. Can we get both hands? Yeah, here we go. I'm playing all these notes with my thumb. You can switch off between your thumb and the. You know what? For right now, why don't you play all these notes with your thumb? That'll be easy. You don't have to decide which one you're using. Just play all these melody notes with your thumb, and we'll get to the roll part, okay? So here we go. And then we're going to go. Sorry. just want you to go through the tablature with your thumb, and let's say what those X's are rests. We talked about that before. So that's why I wanted to play it for you so you can hear it. As long as you get the notes on there for right now, that's what I'm looking for. If you don't rest the exact right number of times, it's not the end of the world. What you want to kind of do is look at them and go, you know. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of thinking those empty notes as if I was doing a roll, but I'm just doing the melody on it. So then eventually when we do it, it's going to be like the second page, and it's going to be.
What is that?
So you see what we're going to do, right? We're going to put it in the forward roll once we know the melody. But first you have to learn where those melody notes are, kind of like the chords. So we're just going to do this week, which is page 13. Okay. And it is actually in a pentatonic scale, which is the same scale as the Chinese scale. So if I did it. That sounds Chinese, doesn't it? All right, so I think that's going to be enough for now.